flooding. Trying not to touch the door. Metal. Ow! That was close. That was wicked.
Whoa, another one. Another one. Now it sounds like bombs are dropping all around.
Good God. This was just a few moments earlier before the lightning you just seen as it was moving in.
I'll get under that pavilion, it will be easier to see. Probably the next miles up here to the left.
Feel the heat in the air ahead of a massive thunderstorm. Right in the middle of Homosassa, up in Citrus County, Central Florida. Wow. Lights just flashed. There you go. That was a doozy. Little Rocky's scared. He's right here beside me. That was a heck of a lightning strike. Sorry for the washing machine running in the background. We got a lot of lightning in the area.